In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML file to WordPress, depending on your specific goal, whether it's for site verification, providing a file for download, or even creating static pages. There are several ways to achieve this. Let's walk through the most common methods step by step so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Firstly, if you're looking to upload an HTML file so that visitors can download it, WordPress's block editor makes this process quite straightforward. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, select the post or page where you want the file to appear. After opening that page, you'll need to add a block. To do this, click on Add Block and then select the file block from the menu. Now click Upload, find your HTML file on your computer and insert it right into the page. Just like that, your HTML file is now available for visitors to download quickly and easily. Another method you might consider is uploading the HTML file to the WordPress media library. This approach is quite user-friendly and provides a direct download link for use on your site. What you want to do is head over to the WordPress dashboard once again and click on Media, then Add New. Here, you can either drag and drop your HTML file into the designated area or click to select your file manually. Once uploaded, the file is saved directly in your media library. The great thing about this method is that you now have a direct link that you can insert into any post or page on your site. Now, if you're aiming to upload HTML files directly to your site's root directory for purposes like site verification or to create custom pages, this method involves a bit more technical know-how. To get started, you'll need access through your web host's cPanel file manager or an equivalent plugin like File Manager or Filester. Once you're inside the file manager, navigate to your site's root directory, which is often labeled as public HTML or simply a /os. It's crucial here to ensure that you don't overwrite any essential WordPress files. So avoid naming your file index.html as that can overwrite your homepage. Once in the right directory, just click Upload, select your HTML file, and voila. Your file will be accessible via the link provided by your hosting setup, something like www.yoursite.com, your file name, HTML, and that's it. Those are some of the most common ways to upload an HTML file to your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot, and I look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.